Let's try this again. 68 Thunderbird. 429 Thunderjet. As it were. Engine bay. Nice solid closing of the hood. Front fender, very good condition. Power antenna broke. Driver's door, very nice and smooth. Solid too. Seen this? Look on YouTube, you see just about everybody that's got one has that problem. $33,000 miles. So it says. Hard to tell with these things. Oh, wait a minute. I lost my key. Oops. Factory build sheet. Sorry, out of focus there, huh? Other side. Came from the back seat back there. Right in there somewhere. Headliner. Stitching's coming undone on the front. Everything else is good. Oh, let's see, there's that. There's one on the door here. I'm assuming that's the VIN number. They didn't have one on underneath the window on this year. Hear this? Oh, nice. Oh, there's my key. A little bit of bubbling there. Rest of the vinyl's nice. Even the vinyl down here is nice. Nice and solid. Yeah, some stickers. Here's how you change a tire. Red paint. Looks like you killed somebody. Dynomat. I don't know what that's for. Ooh, look at that. Dual exhaust. It's pretty new. Guy said it was about 3 years old. Underneath. Frame. Well, this is probably a pretty shitty video. Apologize. New gas shocks. Can't probably see them there. I'm sorry, they're air. The air thing's in the trunk. It's about the worst of the rust. It's patch panels aren't that expensive. There's a little spot right there. I'm sure if you hurry up that could be saved. And then down there. Passenger door. This is loose. Thank God for the bumper things. Look at them hinges. Ooh. Interior. About to lose memory. Solid. Let me see if I can get her cranked up for you real quick. lift up on the lever. Give her a couple of pumps. Fires right out. Seatbelt light works. Watch these headlights. Phew. Working. Check out these turn signals. Pretty cool, huh? Look at that exhaust. Getting pretty smoky in here pretty quick though. And we'll go check out the lights. Oh, one of them's sticking. Oh, there it goes. He's just a little old. Radio works. Pink Floyd. Speakers from 40 years ago. Glove box. Another glove box. And another glove box. All these gauges, clock don't work. It's right twice a day. Oh, windshield wipers. It's got to be running for that too. Vacuum operated. Hang on a second. And here they are. Look at that. Woo! Squirter works, but there's no juice in there. Ashtray broken. Manual. I don't think it's original to this car.